Hello everyone, on today's exciting episode we're doing a quick mod on the low ride arrest to make it more brighter and more visible and hopefully more safe out there with the help of this awesome dude. Okay, so it's a quick one. What we're going to do is change the rear tail light on the low ride arrest. It's relatively easy to do. What we're using is the Custom Dynamics LED tail light. It's a low profile one, but more importantly, it's way brighter than what's on stock. It should, now I've prayed to all the biker gods out there. This is only 2 screws, unclip the old one, clip the new one on, 2 screws. Now, some of the guys who know me out there, my dear friends, they'll tell you the horror stories of my workings on the bike. There's loads, strips, screws, things not working out, me having to call other mechanics and things. There's stories there. But guys, this is literally 2 screws, unplug, plug it in, and 2 screws on. I'm hoping it works out. It's relatively easy, and I'm going to show you what we're doing now. So what we have is the PROBEAM by Custom Dynamics. It's the LED low profile tail light, and do note guys, this comes in different formats. This is the one with the light at the top for the number plate. I think you can get different versions. Do check out Custom Dynamics website. I will obviously put a link below. Just a quick disclaimer, Custom Dynamics haven't sponsored me, neither provided this. I've actually saved my pocket money and bought it myself. Here in the UK, I get most of my bike parts through ARH Customs. So things like this, like third-party mods, I always use ARH Customs. They're awesome bunch of dudes. Like honestly, I've bought so many stuff from them, and these guys are solid. I'll leave a link below. Again, I'm not sponsored by them. This is all sponsored by me. I've quickly unboxed everything. Obviously, you get the light. If you didn't get the light, you're getting scammed. Packaging for these kind of things. You've got the destructions of instructions. You've got a gasket which will go behind this, and then we've got 2 little washers to go in the screws, and that's it. And there's some part numbers there if you guys want to have a look. Before I put the light on the bike, what I want to do is show you guys what the stock is, the stock brightness is, and we'll do different angles as well, just so you guys get an idea. And then we'll do the install, and then I'll show you what it looks like afterwards as well. But I want you guys to see the relative difference. I'm hoping there's a difference. It should be brighter, right? Yeah, it should be brighter. Let's do the different angles of the stock. So that's just the ignition on, straight on the back. That's with the brake lights on. Just a quick disclaimer, I'm not a mechanic, I'm just a random biker dude who has mishaps when he's doing these mods. So what you're watching, just take it as entertainment, always read the instructions, and you know the other stuff. So we should only need 1 tool, and I'm being a bit fancy. I'm using my Harley Davidson. Mind you, look at the quality on that print. It's the 8-in-1, and I think it's a Snap-on brand. But look at the quality on that. It looks like a knockoff. Anyway, right, let's get cracking. Okay, so we have got 2 screws on either side to take out. You have to keep these original screws. We're going to use them later. And let's see. Let's take it all out. Okay. Oh, that's pretty cool. The screws don't fall out. They've got that little retainer clip there. And all we're doing is unplugging this right here. Actually, let me show you guys. It's that we're going to unplug. Come on. There you go. All out. That is disgusting. Let's clean that up. Okay, next on our list is to put this gasket on the back of the new light, and what we're going to do is put these little silicone bits on the screws that have just come off the old one. I'll show you that right now. Right, first up I've got my screw. I'm going to put, well, I'm hoping it's this way around, because otherwise it's not going to work, is it? So I've got the screw and I've got that little plastic washer kind of thing. Let's do the other one. Hey, it's the ice cream dude. Oh, here in the UK, that's what the ice cream guys sound like, if anyone's interested to know. So what we're doing is, it's effectively, if I show you the old one, look at the state of that. So that's the effect we're trying to have. Mind you, I mean, did that really do a good job? See, the original, the stock has another rubber gasket around it besides that foam one, but that's what it's trying to achieve, just to seal it up. So what we do is, that comes off through here. And I'm keeping that on there until it goes on the bike, just to stop any scratches. That's it. Alright, onto the bike. Let's go. What I've done is put those metal retainer washer things so they don't fall out. We'll put the gasket on, and I've also cleaned up because that was disgusting. So let's just plug that in. Is it this way? No, it's the other way. That's in, tuck the wires in. That goes there. That is all in. Okay, let's give it a couple of... Now what the instructions do say is not to over tighten one side and crack the lens. That's not going to be fun, is it? And the instructions actually say to push down here as you're tightening. So there's a nice seal at the bottom. Sorry, you're seeing an enlarged view of my hand. And that is hand tight. Like, I really don't want to push that anymore and crack something I shouldn't be cracking. Okay, everything seems done. And there you are, installed. Now, I don't want to think that's placebo, but I definitely think that's brighter. Yeah, with the brakes on, that's definitely brighter. Like, huge difference. Just to give you guys an idea on the thickness, there is a marginal difference. This is the stock in my left hand, and one on the bike is the Custom Dynamics. Yeah, there's a marginal difference, but obviously the key thing is the number of LEDs and this light bar thing they have going, which makes it way brighter compared to that stock. You can just see it, those little LEDs. It's way brighter. All I'm going to say is there is a huge difference from stock. That is huge. And I'm gutted. One thing I wanted to do was shut the doors in the garage and do... I mean, it's going to be bright. I get it now. It's bright. There's no point. Yeah. It is way bright. That, I am shocked how bright that is. So that is just... So you've got the light for the plate. That is way bright. Yeah, that is a worthwhile mod to do. I think let's turn it off before the battery dies. Yeah, and that was on it. I wish I timed it now, because the way I edit it, don't go by that, guys. And it literally took me minutes. That was super easy, and no cross-threaded bolts and other weirdness. Everything went on as it is. I'm just going to double check the seal around the back bit is all okay. Yeah, that was awesome. I like that. Yeah, it's worthwhile doing. Check it out. I'll leave a link below, as always. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I ride safe, be visible out there. Watch out for other idiots, and I'm hoping this light and other road users can see me coming or going, however you wish. Take care, guys. Ride safe. Well, I fancy an ice cream now.